Hi there, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the main PCB on your LG refrigerator. If you are experiencing problems with your fresh food section lights not working, it might be time to look at this component. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair tutorials. Let's jump in and get your refrigerator back in top shape. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For this job, you'll need a multimeter, a Phillips screwdriver, and a Flatblade screwdriver. And remember, safety comes first. Always unplug your refrigerator or switch off the breaker before starting any repairs. This refrigerator's main PCB is located at the back behind the cover panel. Open the French doors and move to the rear of the fridge. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out 3 screws and lift off the cover panel. Locate the disconnect plug number 6 at the top center of the PCB. We are going to use a multimeter to do the live voltage test. Extreme care should always be taken to protect against electrical shock, which could potentially result in serious injury. Please do not test live voltage if you are uncomfortable using a multimeter around live voltage. Insert thin meter probes into the red, yellow, and the white-black wire slots. Set the multimeter to volts DC, letter V with a double line at the top, and plug the fridge in. Allow up to 20 seconds for the PCB to reset and then check the reading. The normal PCB output should be around 12 volts DC. If you are getting 0 volts DC or improper reading, the PCB should be replaced. Let's get to work. Unplug the fridge or switch off the breaker. I recommend snapping a few pictures for the future references of the wire connections. Then disconnect all the plugs. You can make up your own order, for example, go clockwise, so when reconnecting you will go counterclockwise. With all of the connectors out, use the Flatblade screwdriver to open the clips around the control board. Now we can slide and remove the PCB out. Here's the old main PCB assembly next to the new one. If you already have this one, great. If you don't, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's install the new PCB. Place the right side in and press to lock all the clips. Take your time connecting all of the plugs. Check to make sure you didn't miss any. And then install the cover plate. Secure the plate with 3 Phillips screws. Plug the refrigerator in. Enjoy the moment of glory. Great job getting your refrigerator's main PCB replaced, and those fresh food section lights work again. We would love to hear about your repair experience, so feel free to share your story in the comments below. If you find you still need a spare part or another components, just use your model number and check out AppliancePartsPros.com. Most orders arrive within a couple of days. Thanks for trusting us with your repair needs. We are here to help, and we look forward to assist you with your next project.